Alright YouTube, here we have the Generac IQ3500. I ordered it from Home Depot. It was on sale, originally $14.99. Got it for $9.99. Bought it over the Thanksgiving holiday. Let's open it up. Alright, now we have the box open. And let's see what we have here. We've got the manuals. We've got, what is this? Got some oil. And we've got a funnel. Looks like we got a couple of tools too for the generator. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take it out and go through the process of getting it ready for operation. All right, here we have it out of the box. Didn't take any of the tags off yet. Let's look at the front panel here. So it looks like we got two 120s, and then we got a 120, 25 amp, what looks like a 30 amp plug, two USBs, got a parallel, looks like it's got an option for parallel kit, economy mode on off, run, choke, and the electric start. Got a low oil sensor, overload sensor, and an output sensor. All right, let's get it started. All right, so it comes with its own battery here, ready to go. The cables are disconnected, so we went ahead and just hooked those two wires up. Positive, negative, very easy. It's got this little rubber strap to keep the battery secure. Place it on this little door here, but the door actually covers that little hatch there, and it seals up pretty nicely. All right, next step. All right, so we went ahead and added our engine oil. Here's the dipstick right there. Make sure you do it on a nice level surface. We've got nice sturdy metal housing. This door's nice metal there, so ensures that it's durable and tough. All right, we're gonna close it up, add some fuel, and give it a first run. All right, moment of truth. We haven't started this thing yet, so we're gonna go ahead and just do it on video. So we'll turn it to choke, and then we'll make sure this economy is off. And let's go ahead and give it a start. Wow. Let's run. She is quiet. Super quiet. Obviously not under load right now. Make another video powering my RV with it. See how she responds then, but here you go. Haven't really seen any videos on this generator online, so I figured I'd make one so that you guys can check it out. There she is. I'll go ahead and switch it to economy so we can tell the difference, or see if we can tell the difference. Wow, super quiet. Yeah, that's my son in the box there. Very nice. All right, YouTube. I'll see ya.